Lightyear was founded in 1993, and the whole vision behind it was the bigger companies needed an agent channel business. They didn't have it at that time. So I started out selling distributorships in our company to agents. We ended up having over 200 agents serving the entire United States and Puerto Rico and Alaska. Presently today serve 80,000 commercial customers nationwide. One of the purposes was to fill a gap that was sitting out there in small to mid-sized businesses. We're really the first company to really start reselling on a wholesale basis the data products that Sprint rolled out on. So you got the combined service, and you got the quality, and you got the partnership that carried all the way through from Sprint Wholesale to us, to the agent, to the end user. Most of that innovation that we've been able to sell has come from the Sprint Wholesale side. Sprint goes out of its way to figure out how to do a deal. It's those little things that make our agents go farther than they've ever gone. And you don't find that support other places. And I will sit here today and forever say the best network for wireline out there back then and today is Sprint, bar none. You've got to have a relationship or a partnership with somebody that's moving down the road like Sprint Wholesale is. We are redefining what the wholesale business is in America today. And that started in July between Sprint and Lightyear. In the last 4 months, we have doubled our business with Sprint because of this. The one thing that Sprint Wholesale thinks and believes in is the future and the innovation and the development of products that sell. So the future of this business is incredible. And I like the fact that this company, Lightyear, is with a company that thinks that way.